Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo. So, just to open the Creo software, just go to the new, part solid, untick this use default template, just say OK. Our units are in mm, choose the part solid absolute template, just say OK. Switch on all the planes. Now for easy drawing, I'm just going to keep this diagram left side and the software right side to view the dimensions parallelly. This is our model. First, I'm just taking the front plane, sketch view. Make the center line. Then first we'll put the rectangle, which is 175 mm length, 37 mm length, height. Just put the rectangle. This one is 175. And this one is 37. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The total extrusion length is 25. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll create this feature. Take the front plane. Sketch view. Again put this one. Put the rectangle. This length is 75 and it has to be connected to this point. This one is 38. This one is 37. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. The total length of extrusion is 200. Just say OK. Then we just want to create this feature, this triangular thickness. Just for that, select this surface. Just hide all the planes and axis. Sketch view. Take the line. Put the line here, and connect it here and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This side they are not mentioned. Instead they have provided 75 from here. From this point to this line, it is 75. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. The thickness is 12 mm. Just press the roller to confirm. In the previous sketch, just go to the extrude, second sketch view. Here we just want to put some 12 mm extra. Just take a line from here. Close the sketch. This height is 12. This one you delete it. Just say OK. Now you got the same. The same feature has to be mirrored in that side. So just select this feature. Use the option called mirror. Switch on the planes. Select this mid plane. Then this feature will get mirrored. Just say OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll create this cut. Just select the surface, sketch view. Now put the rectangle somewhere here. This length they have mentioned as 100. This one is 100, and this one is 50, and this one is 24. Just say OK. Extrude, change the direction, material removal, make it to next, material removal, say OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this cut here. Select the surface, sketch view. Just put the center line. take the rectangle, first put on rectangle, this length is 62 and this height is 25. Then we just want to put one more rectangle, this length is 50 and this height is 38. Delete segments, delete these segments. Now we have created the sketch. Then this length will be automatically 6 and 6. Just say OK. Just extrude it. Change the direction up to the length of 100. Up to this one, press the roller to confirm material remove. Then we just want to create a cut here. This cut should be, select the surface, sketch, sketch view, cut section. Here how we just want to make is, take a line here, 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 here. Then here we just want to make these two lines are equal. This height we need to specify it. This distance is 31. And the dimension from top to here, it is 12, and this dimension also be a undo, delete these lines, this is 12 and this height also be 12. Yes, undo. Now just say OK. Extrude, change the direction to next material removal, save OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we just want to make two more, one hole and one cut here. Select the surface, sketch and sketch view. Take a circle, draw it here. The dimension of the circle is 25. And it is from 50 mm from here, 50. And here we have one more cut, small rectangle. Just put the center line first. Take the corner rectangle, symmetric it is. This one is 12 and this also be a 12. Just say OK. Extrude, change the direction to next material removal, save OK. Just have a look once, is there any features are missing? Yes, here this cut is missing. So select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Just take the rectangle. Just put on rectangle. Just select the sketch, mirror with this one. Press the roller to confirm, go to the dimension, from here to here, it is 50. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, 12, just say OK. Now all the features are done. Hide all the planes, shading with edges, standard orientation. Now the complete model is done. In this way we can model this component If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.